So quickly, let's start with the mobile marketing. It is one of the seventh unit we are having into the digital marketing. Okay, so into the mobile marketing, we are going through quickly about the PPTs. So what are the marketing we are doing onto the mobile so that we consider the mobile marketing. But it is not like just you are sending the messages and you are sending the receiving the emails is not just and the mobile marketing. There is a lot of types we are having because the smartphone we are using a lot of smartphones nowadays. So the broad mobile marketing is also becoming a very broad here. Okay, so here you can see the mobile search advertisements. Okay, I'm just asking a question to you that is, whenever we are, or nowadays, whenever we are ordering or having getting some new phone, that whenever we are opening that new phone, so they are asking the email IDs, correct? To open the phone, they're asking your email ID, yes or no? Yes. Okay, so is it because the mobile marketing is become a very simple way just because of they are asking the email ID to you? Okay, so onto your email ID there is a lot of information of yours is having. Okay, so like whatever the email ID you are using, so you are using the same email ID with the YouTube as well, with the Facebook, with the Insta, with lot of platforms you are using with the same email ID only. So our emails is having a lot of information like about ourselves only, like what you like, anything, and what is your interest, and related most of the information. Okay, so the email is actually having. So this has become a very easy for the mobile marketing. They or whatever the app and whatever anything about the mobile phones actually knows a lot information about you, like your basic information like basic interest and which type and which criteria you like majorly, which things you likes most, and related to the related basic information, the gender, the what we said, the location based and which location you are exactly belongs to. So these things the emails is knows most of them. Okay, so this is easy for the mobile search advertisement. You can receive those advertisement only in which you are like, okay, or in which you are having an interest. SMS marketing is also one of the type of the mobile marketing. MMS marketing, location based marketing. Do you know that is AI coming into the location based marketing? Do you saw any advertisement in which they are telling you about the location and the marketing is based on to the locations only? Anyone watch those advertisements? It is coming onto the social medias majorly. The YouTube also, who is having those advertisement in which they are using the AI technology and providing the good location based advertising. Okay, any example anyone knows about the location based marketing? Anyone knows? UPI is doing the marketing onto the location based. Okay, any advertisement I'm asking. Do you know any advertisement in which they are using the location based? Any advertise? Okay, the place advertised for the Marathi for Maharashtra people. Yes, a good example actually. So it is one of the example of the location based advertising, and I'm just telling about the fast move ahead, because see, yes, of course the TV channels and the other advertise as well, they are playing the local language advertise for each and every, they are making the versions of the advertisement into the location based. But nowadays, you can see the AI is coming, the machine learning is coming into the advertised, and they make the advertise in such a way that you will also get a very good version of the advertise. Do you watch the Zomato advertisement of the Hrithik Roshan? Anyone watch that Zomato ad of the Hrithik Roshan? He's selling, he's into one of the cab and one of the what we said, one of the motor or autos, and he's telling you that is he orders something from the very best restaurant, and that he's telling the best restaurant from your location only. So anyone watch that advertisement of the Ritik? Anyone watch that advertisement of the Ritik? Anyone? Yes or no? Tell me. No? Okay, fine. So into the last year only, there is one advertisement came, and it is one of the good advertisement. That is, if take an example, in the they are actually making the lot of versions of that advertised. Okay, and it is based on to the particular location only. So take an example. I'm in Pune. They're also considering each and every district. You know that. Like take an example. Basically, if a very small village, maybe you don't know the Ratnagiri, so that time I was in Ratnagiri, and they are telling me the best restaurant of the Ratnagiri. So that's how they are telling, and they are considering major of the locations, like small locations as well, the districts as well. So there is a one of the good, we can say the location based advertising they do through the mobile marketing, because you can see the location is only into the mobile phones we are considering. So that's how they become and perform a very good advertised. In-game marketing, like whatever you are using, the app-based and in-game is the same, but the marketing, like whenever the advertisement is coming into the application or any app, so that becomes the app-based, and in-game, whatever the game functions you are offering or using into the mobile phone, so that comes into the in-game marketing. So this is the types of the mobile marketing. Okay, so here that is how you can make the good advertisement into the mobile marketing. I'm not telling anyone. You can see it. Yes, this is one of the good that is AR using. Anyone knows what it is exactly, which brand it is, and which advertisement it is? Anyone knows? The picture. The picture is one of the advertisement picture. Anyone knows which one it? Which one the particular? Paper fry, no. Paper fry, it is not from the paper fry. It is a furniture advertised, of course. But which brand it is? And I wanted to tell you, this is one of the first brand, okay, who uses the AR into their marketing. Yes, thank you. It is the IKEA. IKEA is one of the first platform who uses the AR into their marketing, into their advertising. Okay, so this is one here. It is one of the good example how you can use the mobile marketing. Okay, so to the advertisement and the marketing, you can use a lot of things actually. Okay, I will just tell you some short cases, case studies. So it will be helpful for you to get that, to know that is how you can use the best mobile marketing. Okay, is it visible, the page? Yes. Okay, fine. So this is one of the advertisement. Okay, so this is one of the good example I must say for the mobile marketing. Okay, this is one of the advertisement of the Burger King in which they are telling you and using the good mobile phones to do the mobile marketing. Okay, so this is the one of the version in how you can use best of the mobile marketing. There is a one more cases we are having. The two more cases we are actually having. So just give me a second. I will show it to you. Okay, so this is one of the IKEA's one that is the first thing they actually make and uses the AR into for the into the mobile marketing. Okay, so this is how they actually uses the AR into making the marketing. So this is one of the second, and nowadays you can see the Mintra is also introduced a new function that is a skin analyzer tool. So in which through those things also they are uses the technology into the mobiles thing, and they are performing the mobile marketing. Okay, so this is one of the yes Lenskart also there who gonna help you into. Thank you, Prati. So Lenskart also gonna help PP and performing and using the AR and VR virtual reality and the augmented reality, and they gave the good examples of making the advertisement to the marketing. Okay. Okay, so there is a lot of things you can use into the mobile marketing, and this is one of the examples here. Okay, so here uh, there is a lot of things you can do with the mobile marketing. Any questions anyone is having? Any questions? Any questions anyone is having with the digital marketing? Okay, how to do that? Okay, so there is a lot of peoples, the designing peoples and the other peoples who are designing the advertisement. So the basically they design the advertisement for you. Okay, so are asking me the question here. So is a question from the assignment where you can find them. Who you wanted to find about the designing peoples? Okay, so if you wanted to design the advertisement, basically the designing people who already designed in the or the done the courses with the designing, so they're gonna help you with all of these things. Okay, so we are marketing and the digital marketing persons. We just focused onto the placing, and we are giving them the ideas that what exactly you wanted into the advertised. For social media, you wanted to ask. There is a lot of digital marketing persons you will get. I'm not getting your question. What exactly you want? Okay, so for the assignments question, I'm not here giving you the direct answers for the assignment question. Okay, so let's move ahead with the last unit, that is emerging technology we are using. You are asking about the designing peoples who created the advertised. You can find out onto the LinkedIn as well. Okay, you wanted an marketing persons. Okay, so you will find out into the LinkedIn. We majorly find the professional peoples onto the LinkedIn only. So you will find out there. Okay, try to ask me some questions who are not a theoretical base or who are not and from the questions and answers. Okay, so basically ask the questions who is related to or you can learn a lot of things from these questions. Okay, so here let's move to the emerging trends in IT, in which you can lot of things we are doing into the IT and why we are using the digital marketing. There is a lot of things. Okay, now tell me you only. That is why we are using the digital marketing, as the traditional marketing is also going a lot and into the good way. So why we are using the digital marketing and why we started to use the digital marketing? Can anyone knows why we uses the digital marketing? Tell me. Yes, the marketing is already going on and it is going on very good. So why we started the digital marketing? To increase the reach, very good. We wanted to increase or we wanted to reach the more people in a short time. Yes, because we also wanted to save our time as well. Yes, thank you, Dhruv. It is a cost effective, like you wanted to, yes, you wanted to save the cost, you wanted to save the pocket, you wanted to protect your pocket. So that's why we started there is a two answers I already get from your side only. That is a cost effective, and the second one is you can reach to the maximum peoples. Okay. And the third answer, it is one of the who will give me the third answer. That is why we are uses the digital marketing. Yes. Think more about into the depth. Why we uses the digital marketing. What is the beneficial you are getting from the digital marketing? Digital payment. Yes, it is one of the we are considering the digital payment as well. Okay, that's what I am asking. What is the major advantages you are getting from the DM? More interaction with the customer, good, to making the advertise. Of course, the more creative you will make the advertisement through the digital marketing, you can use a lot of technology into the digital marketing. So yes, thank you, Kajal. We can into they are majorly the beneficial you are getting from the digital marketing, that is the data analytics. You will find and you will evaluate, you will analyze very easily by using the digital marketing as compared to the plain marketing. So this is one of the best beneficial you are getting. Okay, of course you can reach a lot of people through the DM. You can use and it helps you to the cost effectiveness as well. but the most effective you will get, that is you can analyze the customers. You can analyze wherever you are reaching, you can analyze those things. Is it, you can also analyze that is it is your making, or whatever you are making, the advertisement or the marketing, is it really good or not. So there is one of the best, like into the digital marketing. That is why we are using this. There is a three beneficials you are getting here. Yes, okay. So nowadays we are using the IT into, and this is one of like emerging trends. We are going into the information and technology, and that we uses into the digital marketing. Okay, so there is one of the concept came here, that is an M-commerce. Okay, M-commerce is one of the type of the, or one of the subset of the e-commerce. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between the M-commerce and e-commerce? A simple difference. Anyone tell me? What is the difference between M-commerce and the e-commerce? Anyone here? Is it same? M-commerce and the e-commerce, is it same? Same thing? Is it the same one or is it a different one? Tell me. M-commerce and the e-commerce. No, it is not the same one. Okay, they are the different one. Correct. So what is the biggest difference we are having? What is exactly? What is M-commerce? It is a mobile commerce. Okay. Okay. Tell me. If take an example, I just ordered a beautiful dress, a red dress from the Amazon, but I ordered it from the Amazon app. So it comes into the M-commerce or it comes into the e-commerce? Yes, it comes into the M-commerce because I ordered it from the Amazon app. Okay. If take an example, the same thing I done, that is I ordered from the Amazon only, but I used here the desktop, or I used here the laptop and the website of the Amazon to order my dress. So that comes into the e-commerce or the M-commerce. From, if I order from the website from my laptop, so is it come into the M-commerce or e-commerce? E-commerce. So e-commerce is nothing but whenever you are using the same thing, like e-commerce is selling and buying, you are doing into by using the internet, that is an e-commerce. M-commerce, whenever you are using the mobile here to do the selling and buying process, so that is an M-commerce. Okay. So there is a lot of things you can only do into the M-commerce. So what it is, use, or you can do the payments like a GPay, phone pay, and this is electronic payment we can consider. So that is here you can use the mobiles only. Okay, so if you are purchasing anything, that's time only they are sending the messages onto the app only, the phone pay app or the GPay app. So this that we called, it is one of the functions. There is a lot of functions actually who what are available only onto the mobile phones. Okay, so the M-commerce is one of the biggest platform becoming nowadays. So, did you get, all of you get the difference between the M-commerce and e-commerce, correct? Okay, so whenever you are using the mobile here, whatever things you are doing, but if you are using onto the mobile phone, so that will be comes into the mobile commerce only. Okay, Preksha, is it clear? If you are using the mobile phones, it will directly goes into the mobile m-commerce only. Whatever things you are doing, if you are purchasing the Amazon, or if you are watching the Amazon Hotstar is there, and what we said, the Prime is there. So whatever you are doing, the purchasing and doing e-commerce platform like buying and selling some services, so that also goes into the m-commerce. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Okay, fine. So this is things, of course, here you can see the mobile shopping, mobile banking, mobile payments you can do into the m-commerce. E-banking is one of the here platform, that is you can use a new technology e-banking through, there is you can say the lot of things are going on to the e-commerce. E-logistics are there. Okay, so this is all the theoretical part. Okay, I'm not going through it. Okay. Okay, so I'm just asking you, can anyone turn before or you turn about the marketing budget? Anyone calculate the marketing budget any time or anyhow if you are helping with the other persons with the marketing budget? Anyone? Okay, so basically for the any project, most of the time for the projects we perform the marketing budget. Okay, so marketing budget, there is a lot of things, and into that, there is one platform we are using for it, that is the media.com. I will show it here, so you will get a better knowledge. That is how we can use the media.com. Okay, so here it is the median.com. It is one of the good platform. Anytime, anyhow, you just wanted to check, that is how the digital marketing, why we are using the digital marketing. Of course, it is reaching the people, as well as you can do analytical part is a different one. Just don't focus into the analyticals. But if you are focusing on the two things, like how many people you wanted to reach, and secondly, like what the cost effectiveness, so that time you can use the medium.com. This is one of the, it is one of the best platform, I must say, that is telling you about the costing effectiveness. Okay, so here you can find out the plan. There is a sum, like where you can exactly do the marketing. Okay, so you can see it here. Into the airline airport, there is, banners are there into the airline and airport. Into the cinemas also, into theater, there is a lot of advertisement coming. So take an example. Okay, so how many charges they are telling the people or telling the brand to do the advertisement. You can see here. You can also put at the location. Okay, if you are based from the Delhi, or if you are based from the Pune, you can put at the location of accordingly. So this is one of the mall from the Mumbai Kandivali. So you can see how many charges. Number of seats are 415. So of course it is reaches to the 415 people. So 208,000 minimum spends are here. You can see it here. Rupees 280 per second they are offering. Okay. So 280 per second means advertisement is, it is not into the seconds, correct? Advertisement into the minutes. It is for the 2 to 3 minutes we are doing the advertisement onto the theaters. So of course they have to pay the this amount to the particular screens. Okay. For the screens advertisement. Okay. So this is here. You can check it in which cinema or in which theater you wanted to publish the advertise. So this is the cinema, the influencer advertiser, the magazines. These are considered the traditional marketing advertise. Okay, airport, cinemas, magazines, newspapers. So these are basically the traditional advertisement. So you can see into the magazines as well. So this is one of the India today. So you can see the 550,000 people are here who can are there who become the audience of the India today. So you can see the minimum spend are almost, it is very high actually, 4,37,000 per insert for the full page. For the half page you will get a 2,81,000 are here. So this is very high one. Okay, so you can check it here, that is what exactly they are spending into the particular newspapers and particular magazines. If you wanted to do the outdoor, you can also check, that is for the banners. Like this is one of the bus shelter of the Bandra. So 23,000 their minimum spending to the particular here. For the holdings, how many things or how many rupees they are spending. So this is, there is a lot of options you will get if you wanted to calculate the budget, or if you wanted to check, that is how much you have to pay to do the marketing. Okay, so this is the plain marketing or the offline marketing we can say. Okay, so digital and influencer are one of the coming into the digital marketing. So digital marketing, you can see this is not a much spend. That is what I said. That is, you can reach how many people? For the YouTube, you can reach almost and 462 million people. This is a very high numbers you can reach to the people. And you have to spend 10,000, which is not much higher as compared to the offline marketing. For the Facebook, 358 million people are there. Into you can also check that is if you are publishing the banner, you have to pay rupees 4 per unit, which is also not a higher. And if you wanted to do the pay per click, you can use this one, that is for the video you can see 0.06 rupees per impression, which is also not much high. Okay, so this is how you can do the Facebook marketing as well. Okay, so there is a lot of options are available onto the Insta, onto the Wood as well, the Sony Live MX player. So here you can get the audience number as well and how much you have to spend onto the marketing. And that's how I'm telling you, you can reach a lot of people through the digital marketing. And of course, you have to spend not much money onto it. Okay, as compared to the traditional marketing, it is not a high amount onto the digital marketing. For the influencer, if you wanted to check like how much they are requesting you to spend, so these are the influencers and you have to pay to the particular influencers. Okay, so how many people you are like, or you can say the Prajakta Kori is one of the entertainment, you know, that is almost an what is the number 62 lakh 75,000. There is a lot of audience she is having and lot of she can influence almost these peoples, and it is on to the on request you can ask to her about the influencing. Okay, so here you will get and connect with the influencer. Okay, so this is one of the best platform. You can reach out, you can collect the budget, and you can see there is the things into here. Okay, now tell me any questions into the digital marketing you are having. You can ask me here. Any questions? Any questions with the digital marketing into the practicals or anywhere? Okay, so fill up the link. Yes. Okay, remarketing and retargeting is a very simple. That is, whenever if you feel that is your anything is mistake happens into the marketing, that time we do the remarketing. We change the marketing and perform the marketing against once again. The retargeting is nothing but if you feel that is you done the targeting, but if you feel that is it is not a good way, and if you wanted to change the target, that time we are using the retargeting. Okay, so these two differences, it is into their names only. Dhruv, you can easily get that is what is a remarketing and retargeting. It is clear? Is it clear? Okay. Uh, okay, I already explained Disha what is the difference between the e-commerce and m-commerce. Anyone tell her, please? What is the difference between the e-commerce and m-commerce? So basically, whenever we are using the mobile phones to do the buying and selling process like commerce, so that we goes into the m-commerce. E-commerce is nothing but whatever the platforms in which or we are using the buying and selling by using the internet, that goes into the e-commerce. Okay, so basically into the m-commerce you can consider the app-based marketing or app-based thing, like take an example, the Amazon apps are there, the Hotstar and the Netflix are in which you are doing the commerce, like you are buying something, you are selling something, so that is goes into the m-commerce. Okay, you are using typically you are using the mobile phones here. So whenever you are using the mobile phone, that is goes into the m-commerce. Okay, So yes, mobile extension is nothing but see, take an example. There is a lot of things is coming into the mobile extension. Okay, so if you are publishing any or if you are just put the meta description, okay, or the title tag and the meta description in below side, if whatever you are providing, like you are providing the link, you are providing the contact number, if you are providing any like the address as well, so that is goes into the mobile extension. So whenever we are, that is there is a lot of things into the Google. If you are searching anything, there is a call number are there, the contact number of the typical any store or anything. So whenever you click onto the call button, you will directly go to the call and you can call them. So that we call it is a mobile extension. Is it clear? Is it clear? Sanjay, I'm not getting the question. Okay, so what thing you wanted to understand into it? Is it one of the like into if you wanted to check the keywords, so that is I'm showing it here onto the to the web, in which you can check the whatever the keywords the particular website link our uses. Okay, so that is what the screenshot is saying. What practical examples you needed, can tell me? Yes, this is today we are having, this is the last session. Okay, any questions? Yes, and if you, yes, tell me what your question is, Anil. Okay, you wanted to start a new business. Okay, in what type you wanted to start? Can you tell me briefly? You wanted to start the website and making the businesses, or you just wanted to start without the website? If you wanted to start the service, okay. So either you can start with making the website and you can publish it, and you can go ahead with the plain marketing and the advertisement. What we do, the social media advertised, okay. Tour or travel. So you can go ahead, if you didn't make the website as well, you can make the posters for your whatever started, like you can start with making the posters and you can publish it onto the Facebook, Insta and the other pages. So whatever the, you will get a lot of calls from those particular things. So you can start by using the social medias. Make a poster, Anil. This is one of the what we said. If you wanted to start very urgently, then go ahead with make a poster through the Canva. Canva is gonna help you very good way. Okay, so start to make a poster by using the Canva, and publish it onto the Facebook. Make a good page onto the Facebook. Make a good profile, business profile onto the what we said, the Instagram, and post it there. You will get a good calls from there. And if you're having any questions, Anil, you can mail me. Okay, we will have a conversation for your doubt. So don't worry, I'm here for your help. Okay, you wanted to boost or to reach onto the social media. Okay, so did you tried the Facebook marketing about the boosting your advertisement? Anytime you tried, you already have a page. Okay. Yes, you can go ahead with the theoretical part for the what we say, the questions and answers things. You can go ahead with the theoretical part. Okay, fine. Can you please mail me, Shafia? Is it okay? You can mail me. I will tell you. That is how to go ahead and post the post. I will also share the screenshot with you. Okay, that time I told you know how to do the boosting into the Facebook marketing. Wanted to create the page for promotional other businesses. Okay, so to do the other promotional, you wanted to make the page like the advertisement page, like a page, the what is said, the print page, the advertisement page you wanted to make. Just tell me, do you wanted to make the page with the advertisement? Yes, of course, Deepak. You can't get a digital marketing knowledge through the elective subject only. Actually, there is a lot of things. The broad way we are actually people are learning almost in sixth to seventh month for the digital marketing, and they are getting the knowledge through it. Okay, so there is a lot of things are here. Um, yes, it is one of my email ID. Smita.kamre.col at the tpu.edu.in is my email ID. Okay, it is already having onto the Swayam as well. So go through if you are having any doubt with your businesses and you wanted to ask me if you wanted to start the business or anything related to the digital marketing. If you wanted to start, you can mail me. I will share those whatever the information related to the questions. Okay. So don't worry. This is my email ID. Okay. Again, I'm typing it here. Okay. So just send me the emails about your doubt. Okay. So we will stop then. If you are having any questions, you can send me the mails related to the businesses, related to start the digital marketing as well. The small queries, whatever you are having, you can ask me to the mail. Okay, so shall we stop then? Okay, fine then. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day to everyone.